Okay, so now let me walk you through the appeal process step by step. Most of the time, you won't see an appeal button directly inside your Google Business Profile dashboard, so don't waste your time looking for it there. Instead, open Google in your browser and type Google Business Profile Appeal Tool. You'll see a Google support page that says something like Fix Suspended or Disabled Profile. Click on that. Now scroll down and you'll see a button that takes you to the Appeals tool. Click on that and it will open your appeal dashboard. Now Google will ask you choose a Google account. Make sure you select the same Gmail account that manages your suspended profile. So after selecting the correct Gmail, click Confirm. Now you'll see a list of businesses connected to that Gmail account. Find the business that was suspended, click on it once so it gets selected, then click Confirm again. On the next screen, Google will show you details about your business, like the business name, when it was suspended, and whether it's eligible for appeal. If you see that it says eligible for appeal, select the business and click Continue. Now you'll land on a page that mentions submitting evidence within 60 minutes. This is important. The 60-minute timer starts once you move forward, so only continue if your documents are already prepared and ready to upload. If everything is ready, click Submit to create the appeal. Now your appeal is submitted, but you still need to upload your proof. You'll see an option that says Add Evidence. Click on that. This will open the appeal evidence form. At the top, most of your business details like name, address, and profile ID are usually filled in automatically by Google. Just double check that everything looks correct. Then scroll down to the section where it says Upload Documents. This is where you upload all the documents you prepared, like business registration, utility bills, photos of your storefront, signage, or any other proof that supports your case. If you have more than 5 files, combine them into one zip file and upload that instead. After that, you'll see a section where Google asks you to explain your case. Here, clearly explain why your profile was suspended, what caused the issue, and what changes you made to fix it. Keep it simple and factual. Don't be emotional, don't blame Google, and definitely don't use any aggressive or inappropriate language. Just state the facts clearly. You can say something like, the suspension occurred because extra keywords were added to my business name. I've removed all additional keywords, and the profile name now matches my official registered business name exactly. Supporting documentation has been attached for verification. Please review and reinstate the profile. Now after that, you'll see a section about reinstating 10 or more locations, and if that doesn't apply to you, just leave it alone. And then click Submit. Now your appeal has been fully submitted with evidence, and you just wait now. Google usually replies within 12 to 24 hours by email. If your appeal is approved, you'll receive an email saying your profile has been reinstated. If it's rejected, you'll receive a rejection email. Now, if it gets rejected, don't panic. You still have one more chance. But don't immediately submit another appeal. If you rush and send it again without fixing the real issue, it will likely get rejected again. And this time, you might lose your final opportunity. Your first appeal was rejected for a reason. Maybe your documents weren't strong enough. Maybe your business details didn't match exactly, or maybe you never fixed the actual trigger that caused the suspension in the first place. If that root problem still exists, Google will reject you again. It's that simple. So before submitting your second appeal, fix the real issue. Update your business profile with correct and accurate information. Make sure your documents match exactly with what's on your profile. Then prepare solid proof. Only after everything is corrected should you move to the second appeal. And that's the complete suspension, appeal, reappeal process, step by step. I hope this helped you understand the process. And if you prefer a fully hands-off approach, our team can take care of your suspension from start to finish smoothly and stress-free. I've added a form in the description. Fill it out and we'll take care of getting your profile reinstated. See you in the next video.